Hello guys, welcome to Stockies. Today we are going to talk about Rote Mobile IPOs. Rote Mobile IPO is currently open for subscription. Rote Mobile was incorporated in 2004 by Mr. Rajdeep Gupta, who is the founder and CEO of the company. Before investing in this IPO, an investor must take into consideration these four factors: management, investors, financials, and business. Let us see management first. Mr. Rajdeep Gupta and Mr. Sandeep Gupta are core promoters of the company. Mr. Rajdeep Gupta has more than 17 years of experience in the field of software designing and development, whereas Mr. Sandeep Gupta is a certified chartered accountant and he has over 18 years of experience in audit, accounts, business analysis, and 15 years of experience in software system consultation. Let us move to second factor, investors. Rote Mobile has attracted over 15 anchor investors investing over Rs 180 crore before IPO's launch. To know more about anchor investors and IPO in general, you can watch this video by clicking the I button. Financials. Rote Mobile financial performance in last 3 years. In 2018, company's revenue was 509.5 crore and profit was 49.5 crore. In 2019, company's revenue increased to 852.4 crore and profit also increased to 58.8 crore. In 2020, revenue further increased to 968.1 crore and company's profit also increased to 74.8 crore. In first quarter of 2021, company's revenue was 312.3 crore and company made a profit of 26.5 crore. This shows us that Rote Mobile has been making profits from last few years and also its revenue and profit has been increasing year after year. According to company's financial report, company has high current liability covering over 55% of its balance sheet. Company's current liability is amounting to Rs 346.24 crore. Business. Rote Mobile is among leading communication platform as a service provider CPaaS and application to service provider. Its communication service includes new age solutions in messaging, voice, email and SMS filtering, analytics and monetization. Enterprise, mobile operators and BPO are the core business verticals of the company. Rote Mobile has 4 group of companies: Zone Hotels Private Limited, 293 Holiday Private Limited, Cobex Gaming Private Limited and Horizon Sports India Private Limited. Company's top 5 clients generates over more than 50% of company's revenue. In 2020, over 80% of its revenue came from exports. This shows us that the company is too dependent on few clients. Company is also vulnerable to currency fluctuations as its major clients are from abroad. Rote Mobile IPO details. IPO date is from 9 September to 11 September. Issue type is book building. Issue size is Rs 600 crore, out of which 240 crore will be fresh issue, which means new shares will be issued, and remaining 360 crore is offer for sale, which means promoters and existing shareholders are selling off their shares in initial public offer. In this case, both the promoters Mr. Rajdeep Gupta and Mr. Sandeep Gupta are selling Rs 180 crore worth shares. Face value is Rs 10 each. IPO price band is Rs 345 to 350. Lot size is 40. The company will be listed in both the major exchanges, that is NSE as well as BSE. These are the important dates. Offer opens on 9 September and closes on 11 September. Allotment basis will be finalized on 16 September. Refunds will be initiated on 17 September to those who has not been allotted with shares. On 18 September, shares will be credited in Demat account of those investors to whom allotment is made. These shares will be listed on stock exchange on 21st September. Allotment quota. Qualified institutional buyers can buy 50%, that is 300 crore of the total issue. Non-institutional investors can buy 15%, that is 90 crore. Retail investors can buy 35%, that is 210 crore of total issue. For more videos on investment and finance, please subscribe this channel by clicking the subscribe icon below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.